Okay, guys. It's Friday. It's Friday. It's Friday in South Africa. Actually, it's Friday, right? 20 January. So, what I'm going to be sharing with you is this. I want to show you how I analyze, and I want to show you my analysis. That's the biggest thing that I want to show you. And you have to be patient. There is no way that we're going to make money in this game without patience. So, what are we going to do right now? We're going to watch the charts, and I'm going to show you the pairs that I will be looking for, right? So let me rotate my phone. It's early in the morning. I'm just outside and yeah, enjoying the vibes, you know. So let's start on the week. Let's start with my watch list. I have gold, I have Euro USD, I have USD ZAR, I have CAD GPY, I have CHF GPY, Euro GPY, GBP GPY, and Nasdaq. DXY, Euro AUD, GBP USD, USD GPY. But then this one, Nasdaq is not the pair that I will be trading for this year or the 6 month, right? So I will be accumulating money to trade Nasdaq, but then I will be not trading it during these times. So what are we going to do right now? We'll be checking on how everything is going to go. Let's go. Let's start with gold. Let's open the chart for gold. From a weekly perspective. So from this, we see a downtrend. After seeing a downtrend, we see a breakout. But then, before the downtrend, we saw that we came here. So for that, we were in a bullish trend. From the bullish trend, we consolidated here. This is a consolidation, and in this consolidation, I can see a trend. Obvious, everybody can see this, but then there are those ones who don't know what this means, right? So I saw a touch and a second touch, and then there's a touch here down there. There's a touch here, there's a touch here, and there's a touch here. So the market broke out. A lot of people sold here. Even myself, I will be selling. But then I knew very well that we are in a trend. I'm not looking for anything, but looking at the trend, right? Okay, so let's dive to the daily time frame. So a lot of you will be asking, ranking the trader, do you trade daily time frame? I don't trade daily time frame right now. I'm not at that stage yet. But then I do my analysis from weekly, daily, 4 hour. That's where I end up, right? So we have what? This is the daily time frame, and what we can see right now is that this is the downtrend that we spoke about. The downtrend, and then see it formed 1, 2, and 3, which means we had a strong support here that can actually turn the market back and go and look for the third touch there at the top. We're looking for the third touch somewhere around here, right? So we're not going to use this daily or what I'm saying, this daily or weekly to enter. No, we are not there. So let's dive deeper to 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame. So this is what we see at 4 hour time frame. Okay, let me load this and put it where it was. Okay, this is what I had. This is what I had after the breakout. After the breakout here, we had some resistance, but then I don't want to focus there right now because we are not there. I just want to focus on the current market. What is happening right now since it's Friday? You know, like this. Maybe I'm preparing for next week Monday, but then if we go to check what is what time at the New York, you'll see that right now we are very late. So we're gonna check all those things. I wanna take you through all those. I wanna show you how transparent this thing it can be if ever you're truly doing it. Right? So yeah. Sorry for talking too much. Yes. Just sorry for talking too much. This is what we had. We had a bullish. Firstly, we had a downtrend on the daily. Secondly, we have a bullish trend on the 4 hour, right? And after that bullish, we had a bullish again, but then I'll show you where. So this is called trends and trends. I learned this from FX course, but then I didn't pay for the course. I didn't. I just subscribed there and then just watching everything that they post and learning and doing my own researches about the market. So I learned this from me. I'm learning this from me. So yeah. Anyways, it's been let me see. It's been 3 years now in the game, but then this one is the beginning of that third year. You understand? It's the beginning of that third year, which means yo guys, we still have a long journey to go. Long journey to go. So we are at the 4 hour. The 4 hour we can see that we had a bullish trend. This is an illustration to you guys. I'm sorry for that, but then I'm just showing you how I am doing this. I'm not really trying to brag about anything, but then I just want to show you what I see and what I want to take and what I want to grow from. Because every trader does a mistake. I do have my own mistakes. I do this, and so I just said what I show you how transparent this it can be. So okay, from four. Okay, let's get back to the business. I'm so sorry. I was just doing something a little bit quick. So I'm back. So we are in a bullish trend in 4 hour, right? And from that bullish trend, we can go to smaller time frames such as 2 hour and 1 hour, just to check what's happening because that's where we are ending. That's where we're supposed to be ending with our analysis. We're not supposed to be going down. So let's go to maybe 1 hour and see what happened to 1 hour. Definitely let's not jump anything 2 hours. I want to show you how I caught this trade and then everything. So this is our trend, right? So I don't want to make this video long, but then this is how everything's going, bruh. Like, yeah. And then let's jump to EURUSD. I'm so sorry for taking along with gold, but then I was just trying to show you how possible this thing it is. This and then is our euro. Let's be on our daily. This is our euro. Same shit as gold. This is our euro. At euro right now, I'm not looking for anything, but then I'll be saying I'm looking for buys. But then for now, I'm not looking for anything, right? Let's go to 4 hour. So we can see we're having this. So I'm just waiting for a breakout for a candlestick confirmation or anything of one of my confirmation that I use. If it's aligning, and then I'm going to take a buy. If it's not, it's not. So yeah, we still have a trend here, but then I don't want to waste time, guys. I just want to show you this and move, right? Then we have USD. Let's start from the daily. Actually, me, I'm trading trends and trends. Even you can see these trends are not that much properly, but then me, I can see what's happening. So yeah, this is called trends and trends, guys. Trends and trends. Just that I don't have that screen, but then clearly thanks for this phone because I can show my people how this can be. So even here, same thing. You see how Euro USDs are. I'll be looking for sales, you know. But then I can see that we're still in a structure. In a structure. This structure, if this structure, we have a bullish structure here. If this structure break out and give us a retest on this red zone, and then I'll be looking for sales. Because if gold is buying, USDs are selling, you know, just how I learned. So KGPY, okay. Oh, KGPY, we can see. Okay, let me go on the weekly so that I can show you where any bullish. If I can clone this, we can see very well. So I don't wanna do much of this. So this is what you can see, guys. We're in a bullish and we have trends and trends as always. Then daily, let's check daily. What's happening? Daily, this is what is happening at the daily. And let's check 4 hour. This is what is happening on the 4 hour. I caught this trade and then we took profits. And then yeah, I'll show you everything. This is trends and trends. Trends and trends, guys. I do have this video on this YouTube channel. I recorded this and then yeah, then I posted. Don't mind anything about the screen, and everything will be okay as long as supporting me. Everything will be okay. It's no likes about support, but then I just want to show you how this can be possible. So CHF, let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. I'm not looking for anything here. I'm not looking for anything here. I'll be looking for sales or buys, but then right now I don't see anything, so I move. Even Euro JPY right now. Now let me go to 4 hour. You see, it's trends and trends as always. So yeah, GBP JPY always, always. You know, you know how you do. Nasdaq, no. DXY, no. I don't want to show you those ones. Let me show you DXY. Guys, I think I'm running out of time, but then this is what I wanted to be showing you. So thank you for tuning. Oh, that's one thing. Let me show you how I caught that thing, that gold and that KJPY, and then from there I'll be closing. Okay, this is what I have, and then let's go to history. History is what I deposited $5 comma 92, and then I turned that into 42 comma 13. Right, so I deposited on 19 January. Oh, on the 14th January, I deposited this account, and then yeah, I'm just doing it. Why not? I'm just doing it. So KJPY, I took a loss. That was my first trade when after depositing this. No, yeah, that was my first trade. I think after depositing, and then I took another KJPY buys, and then I hit a stop loss. I didn't hit a stop loss, but then I was told that my broker told me that anyways this is FBS trader, the vibes. My broker told me that I'm over leveraging or my margin is too high, and then they closed two positions for me because I opened a single position and then it went up and then I scaled in, and then CAD news came and then it dropped, right? And then from there it was just consolidating because I was on a smaller time frame, which is not one of my rules. But then I came back with fresh mind, took JPY, and then it gave me $17, and then I came back with gold. I entered the gold trade, and then yeah, that's the gold trade that I was showing you, and that was the KGPY. If you wanna see this, go back and then from this video, just forward back, and then you'll see everything that you wanna see. How I took this trade, and then this is an FBS, and then I withdrew my $7. Why I withdrew $7? Because of I just wanted to remove the money that I deposited so that I can leave the profits that I made. Why? Because I just want to grow this account as much as I can, just seeing what's gonna happen. So yeah, why not? You're doing it. Why not, guys? Why not? Why not? And remember, there's still January, so still have a long way to go. So yeah, Brian.